crackhead in the bushes behind us.
Woke up bruised again.
What up, guys? We made it. It's Saturday. We're here riding. We made it to the Westacre Skatepark here in West Sacramento. This park is absolutely huge. It's brand new and it's beautiful. They got like an $8 million grant. There's a splash pad, there's basketball courts, there's a huge playground, and behind me, there's this awesome skate park. So let's get in here and check it out. This is the park, full of kids and people as it should be. This right here is the splash pad. Smells like a city pool, like chlorine. All right, this behind me is the splash pad and the cool new park feature they put in, the basketball courts. I mean, it's really nice. $8 million. They got some picnic tables here with the gazebos and the bathrooms. This is where you want to be on a summer's day, right here at the park that our tax dollars pay for. I like this one. This is the one I'll get behind. So right behind me here, we got the pump track. This pump track's pretty cool. Let's check out some of these features. It's pretty wide. It goes around the whole outside. And then if you're feeling brave enough, there's a bowl from hell right in the middle. This thing just goes on forever, and there's tons of shade, and I'm actually standing on green grass right here. This is beautiful. I think I'm gonna enjoy this park. Let's keep going. Behind me is this ledge that runs the whole kind of length of it this way. It's really cool. This ledge right here runs the whole length of it. There's this pole jam right here that looks seriously aggressive. Right here in the center, there's this really cool table. So there's like mid drops on this side. And then when you spin around to this side, you got a little bit of a deeper drop. There's some cool rail work off to the side over here. This is gonna be pretty awesome. If ledges are your thing, there's plenty of ledges. There's also plenty of rails, gaps, stairs. Back here in this back corner, there's this really cool bank that runs all along it. There's a ledge that runs around the outside. All right, that was it for the tour. Showed you some really cool features. Now let's get out there. Let's do some riding, man. Let's have some fun. Let's be safe and not get hurt this week like Colby did last week. So let's just go have some fun.
We met by the curb cut, tires singing on the pavement. You had a blue frame and a grin I couldn't fake. One more lap, no map, just a bruise of wind on our faces. Sun on the chain ring and the whole day wide awake. We don't need a reason when the woman hits right. Pulling back the summer like a sleep in the light. Pedals getting lighter. We were made to run free. Everybody shouting, come on, follow me. Endless summer, we were made for this. Endless summer, on a BMX kiss. Hands up high, hearts on fire. Take me where you go. Endless summer, never let it go. Straight means big laughs at the rest behind the shop. You waved from the half pipe, then you flew and didn't stop.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it from this skate park. This is a rad skate park. I'm not saying it's not a bad skate park, but it's a skate park. It's definitely not geared toward bikers. So we're gonna go over, we're gonna check out McClatchy Skatepark and make it a 2-for-1. So let's get out of here and go check out McClatchy Skatepark. Now we're off to do a side quest. Let's go check this out. This is gonna be cool. This is a surprise. This is a surprise for you. All right, so I said we're going on a side quest, and this is the side quest. We met up with a sketchy dude in a random parking lot. He wasn't really sketchy. He just didn't want to be on film. And I picked up this. Check this out. This is a Swag Cycle Pro. Well, it's not BMX, but it's a bike, and it was only 50 bucks. It doesn't go too fast, but it doesn't have to go fast. $50 swag cycle. Rock and roll. All right, guys, this is a twofer. We made it out here to McClatchy Skatepark. This park's in the middle of a really, really big park. It's got a big grassy open area, but it's just a small little park that you can see behind me. It feels kind of like a DIY, but it looks kind of fun, so we're gonna go check it out and get the hell out of here because it's hot today. It's 108. There is a little bit of a breeze, but hey, we'll see what it looks like. All right, so there's plenty of little hops and banks. Behind me here, there's another little bank. It's pretty cool. There's some half pipes in the back, but let's go check those out. There's ledges. Looks like a nice sun ledge.
We were made for this.
There's a smaller ledge over here.
Endless summer.
Got a
On a
rail.
BMX kiss.
That's a fun rail right
Hands up
there.
high, hearts on
Here,
fire.
nice.
Take
This
me
is
where
big.
you
Here's
go.
up here.
Endless summer. Never let it go.
Back here in the back, you got the little half pipe. Full side. You guys gotta figure it out over here.
Yeah, chain grease on my hands, scuffed up bands, new scabs, rolling past the bull sun on the plywood ramps. Pegs scraping the ledge, tires chirp on the deck. I can feel it in my chest when the whole park starts to flex. Hold tight, lean in, count me down again.
All right, guys, it's that time again. It's my favorite time. It is park review time. We're not in the air conditioner though. We're out of that. We're outside. It's 108 today, and the cars are way over there. But that's all right. Let's talk about the first skate park we went to, the Westacre Skatepark. That was a beautiful park. I gotta say, they had an $8 million grant. They built up the park, the skate park. There was basketball courts, a splash pad, the whole 9 yards. It was beautiful. Let's talk about the skate park. So the skate park was awesome. The pump track was really cool, but it's made for skaters. The rollers are really, really close together, and there's a huge deep bowl in the center that you've got to be a little more advanced to get into. I didn't get into it because I was scared I couldn't get out of it. I just got a rule about getting into bowls I can't get out of. The skate park was really nice. All the features are really cool. There was a lot of banks. There was hardly any coping, but it's more for skaters. It's definitely a skate park, not a BMX park that you can go to. So I'm going to give that park a 5. Just 5, straight down the middle. If you're a skater, though, you're probably going to give it a 9 or a 10, but I give it a 5. Colby, what about you?
I'm going to give it a 5.5. I like the pump track. It's really smooth. You can go around and around. It's kind of almost get stuck in it. But it's cool. It's a little hard to get out of it. Once you get going pretty fast, but it's cool. I like the bowl in the middle surrounded by all the AstroTurf. I hopped in and out of that. It was nice. The surface in the bowl and the skate park on the transitions are kind of smooth, so a little slippery. You might want to watch out for that if you're taking a bike down there, but it's definitely more for skaters, that's for sure. I like it has an indoor-outdoor area. That was pretty cool with some rails in there. You can practice grinds and stuff, but not much for bikes, so 5.5 for me.
Okay, now let's move on. Because we're in Sacramento and there's skate parks everywhere, we decided to come here. This is McClatchy Park, and I think we're in Oak Park. Not exactly the greatest neighborhood, but it's not that bad. There is some crackheads in the bushes, but hey, we keep that thing on us, so fuck them crackheads in the bushes, right? Anyway, let's get back to the skate park. This skate park's pretty cool. The park is actually really big. It's got huge grassy areas. There's pickleball courts behind me. There's basketball courts. There's a park. There's also a splash pad here, albeit it's a little less nice of a splash pad. I rode through it and cooled myself off. Anyway, the skate park's really nice. There's only a little bit of coping on the backside. There's roll-ins for, like Colby was saying, doing disasters here. Oh man, that was so fun. Colby got some really good disasters over there. There's places to grind on. There's even little cool spots to pop out of and land in the grass. But this is, again, a skate park, not a BMX park. So I'm going to stick with my 5 recommendation, just like with Westacre Skatepark. I'm going to give McClatchy Skatepark a 5 for BMXing. Probably an 8 or a 9 for skating, but I'm going to give it a 5 for BMXing. So what about you, Colby?
I'm going to have to agree, bro. It's definitely more for skaters. I'm going to give it a 6, though. There's some transitions with hips over there that I liked hitting, and it was pretty smooth, and it felt nice. I liked it. There's a roll-in over here. You can practice 180s and disasters, even 360s. The park makes like a loop, which is different. It's definitely more set up for skaters, but you can do some tricks on bikes. There's some rails you can practice grinding. You know, it's kind of, if you want to come in and if you're a beginner, this is a good place to go if it's close to home. But yeah, I'm going to give it a 6.
Yeah, all right, so 5s and 6. Something I will say about these parks is they're super close together, so you can make a day of this. You don't have to get stuck at one park. You get some friends together, you go to a park, you skate for a little bit, you ride for a little bit, then you jump in the car and you come over here. This was, like 5 minutes away? Not even that, a mile and a half, something like that, stupid. We jumped over here and we got to ride over here, so we got to knock out 2 parks in one day. It was awesome. But we're going to get out of here and go eat some Mexican food because my belly's rumbling and I'm a little hungry. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.